Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 2017 F150 Headlights is probably one of the most important safety features of your truck, ensuring clear visibility during night driving and enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of your vehicle. This detailed review will cover various aspects of 2017 F150 Headlights, from their brightness and range to their durability and ease of installation, helping you make an informed decision when choosing replacement or upgrade options for your truck. Number 5. AlphaRex F150 LED Headlights. Upgrade your Ford F150's look and visibility with these sleek, new headlights. They're designed to fit perfectly and dramatically improve your nighttime driving experience. These aren't your average headlights. They feature a stunning LED light tube with integrated switchback technology for dynamic daytime running lights and turn signals. Experience superior illumination with the powerful dual projector design. They provide a brighter, more focused beam for enhanced safety and visibility. While professional installation is recommended, we're here to help with any questions you may have during the process. Contact our tech support for assistance. These headlights meet all relevant safety standards, SAE, DOT, FMVSS 108, and are ISO 9000 certified, ensuring top-notch quality and reliability. This set includes a pair of headlights, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger's side. Everything you need for a complete upgrade is included. We stand behind our products. We inspect every detail to ensure you're completely satisfied with your purchase. What we like. It has a unique switchback DRL feature, and it also comes with a dual projector and LED tube for better visibility. If you are looking for stylish and functional headlights with a modern look, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want to upgrade their F150's lighting without breaking the bank. Number 4. VLAND Ford F150 Projector LED Headlights. These headlights are designed as a direct replacement for your old ones. Installation is easy, they're a plug-and-play fit for your Ford F150. Enjoy the stylish dynamic animation of the daytime running lights. They add a touch of elegance and modernity to your vehicle. These lights are built to withstand harsh weather conditions. Their sealed construction prevents moisture and dust from damaging the internal components. You can have confidence knowing that they meet and exceed all safety standards. They are fully street legal and rigorously tested. They are compatible with 2015 to 2017 Ford F150 XL, XLT, Lariat, King Ranch, Platinum, and Limited models. The part numbers are listed in the description for your reference. Please retain all packaging and manuals. If there are any issues, contact us with photos and videos showing the problem for assistance. What we like. This one boasts dynamic animation DRL, offering a stylish and modern look. It's also designed for plug-and-play installation, making it easy to install. If you want a direct OEM replacement that adds a touch of elegance to your vehicle, this is the one for you. What people say. Great lights, very easy install, plug and play. These have a much better beam pattern on the road and a higher light output. They also have LED turn signals. I'm impressed with these headlights. Fit was perfect. No misaligned holes or gapping. Install is very easy. It took me about 30 minutes each side to do a complete install. The lights themselves are really bright. Number 3. Morimoto XB LED Headlights for Ford F150. These headlights dramatically improve visibility. Experience 200% more light output and a wider beam for enhanced safety. They utilize all 4 projectors for low beams, and a dual bi-LED setup for high beams. This advanced design ensures superior illumination. Watch them light up with a 2-stage startup sequence. It's a stylish addition that adds a touch of excitement to your drives. These headlights meet and exceed all safety regulations. Drive with confidence, knowing you're compliant and safe. It's a simple plug-and-play installation. No modifications are needed, and they seamlessly integrate with your existing system. The bright daytime running lights are easily visible, and you can customize them to be sequential or solid signals. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 5-year warranty, void if opened or modified. What we like. These headlights offer 200% more light output than stock, thanks to their quad projector design. They are also plug-and-play, making installation a breeze. If you prioritize enhanced visibility and easy installation, this is the ideal choice for safer night driving. Number 2. AnzoUSA 111357 Headlight Assembly. Upgrade your vehicle's look and lighting with this premium headlight assembly. It's designed for a seamless, direct fit. The clear lens provides superior light transmission for enhanced visibility. Enjoy a brighter, safer driving experience. Its stylish black housing complements any vehicle's design. It's the perfect blend of form and function. The integrated amber reflector ensures optimal safety and visibility, especially in low-light conditions. This is a key safety feature. Experience brighter, more focused illumination with the built-in projector and halogen bulbs. They provide a significant upgrade over standard headlights. It's designed for a hassle-free installation. No modifications are required for a perfect fit. What we like. With a clear lens and amber reflector, it offers a classic look that complements the F150's design. It's a projector headlight that doesn't require any modifications. If you prefer a simple, no-frills upgrade that maintains the original aesthetic, this is a great option. What people say. My truck looks nice with the new headlights, installation is fairly okay, with no problems at all. These are easy to install and look great. The Anzos fit great, look great, and the switchback feature adds an extra level of style to the mix. Number 1. AmeriLite F150 LED Headlights. Give your truck a modern look and improved visibility. These headlights are a direct replacement for your old halogen units. Experience brighter, more focused light on the road. They significantly enhance your nighttime driving safety. It's a simple plug-and-play installation, no modifications are needed. Get it done quickly and easily. These lights meet or exceed all US and Canadian safety regulations. Drive with confidence and peace of mind. The set includes both driver and passenger side headlights. Everything you need for a complete upgrade is in the box. We stand behind our product with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 90-day limited warranty. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. Featuring a dual LED bar design, these headlights provide a bold and modern look. They are designed as a direct OEM replacement, making installation quick and easy. If you want a straightforward upgrade that enhances both style and functionality, this is a solid choice. What people say. Fit perfect in my 2016 F150. The look is awesome. These headlights are aggressive looking. Took about 1 hour 15 minutes to install. The DRL are extremely bright and head-turning. The LED strips were professional looking and the headlight visually was aesthetic. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.